Today, we're diving into the world of mobile photography with a focus on one of the best gallery applications available for Android. Stay tuned as we explore its features and how it can transform the way you organize and showcase your memories. The best iOS gallery application for Android is designed to enhance the way users manage and view their photos and videos. It offers a user-friendly interface that allows for easy navigation through images, making it simple to organize and access media files. Key features typically include customizable albums, powerful search functions, and advanced editing tools to enhance photos directly within the app. Additionally, this application often supports cloud integration, allowing users to back up their media and access it from multiple devices. It may also include features for sharing images on social media platforms seamlessly. The overall goal is to provide a comprehensive and enjoyable experience for users looking to showcase their memories in an aesthetically pleasing manner. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of an incredible gallery application for Android. Until next time, happy capturing.